How to log in LastPass account. So if you want to log into LastPass account, then first of all you can open up your browser, any browser which you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for LastPass. And login. And here you will have LastPass sign in or LastPass login. You can simply go for any one of that, and it will take you to the login page, right? So here on the login page, you have to simply enter your email address on the first blank, and then you have to enter your master password on the next blank. But if you have forgotten your password, then you can go for forgot password, and then you have to enter your email address and send hint, so that it will send you a link or a password hint to your email address which you have just provided. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.